In 17 days, this faceless YouTube channel got 506,000 views, and that paid me $3,786 in just YouTube ad revenue. And what I posted on this channel was videos about the World Cup. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how I did it. And thankfully, I recorded the entire process of starting this YouTube channel, from the branding, the ideation, everything. This video is literally the blueprint. Now, I'm not saying that this is 100% going to work for you, but the World Cup is still going and you still have time. So technically, in theory, there's a high chance that you're gonna see some numbers. But again, I don't know. Now, it's important that I mention that I wasn't posting highlights of games on this channel, and I wasn't talking about the big names like Messi or Ronaldo. Let me actually show you how I made money so fast with this channel, starting with ideation. I had an idea. I said, okay, instead of talking about Real Madrid, Barcelona, PSG, you know, like all of those European teams, I'm only gonna focus on the MLS. Nobody really gives a fuck about the MLS, besides a very sub-niche group of people. And in my opinion, that sub-niche group of people have a high RPM. So instead of competing for the viewership of, you know, these big teams and worldwide audiences, I'm gonna try to make my YouTube channel strictly MLS. Now, not just MLS, obviously. The World Cup is about to start tomorrow, so I'm gonna focus only on US players. US-based YouTube channel, and what gave me the idea is this song.
My daddy served in the army, we lost his right eye.
Okay, so I heard that and I was like, you know what? Again, no one gives a fuck about the MLS or American, you know, players really. It's not popular here, but hey, what if? You know, what if it works? Why not? Now, since I can't control what you're gonna do with this information, the only thing I ask is that you don't copy my scripts and my thumbnails, okay? I mean, I have no problem with you also, you know, covering MLS players or American players, but please do not copy my scripts or my thumbnails one-to-one. The goal here is to make your entire YouTube channel about something very specific with soccer or football, whatever. For example, make a YouTube channel where you only focus on the coaching staff. It could be of one team, multiple teams, it doesn't matter. Or make it about college soccer and up and coming good American players. Maybe make your channel strictly about referees in the World Cup. You know, it doesn't matter. But as long as you avoid the popular teams and the popular players like Spain or Mbappe, you might just hit the same audience I do. Now, for the script writing of this channel, it is very complicated. There is a lot of shit that goes into it. So this isn't one or two prompts. I just gave you the idea. You should know exactly what to do. But if you want my prompts and you want to know exactly how I do the script writing word for word, so all you have to do is drag and drop your title. You could click the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. That should take you to my school community. I am the owner of Faceless YouTube HQ, which is the biggest YouTube community on school. And not only do I go live twice every single week where I speak with you guys directly, answer any questions, but I also have a shit ton of modules. By modules, I mean tutorials. For example, the tutorial vault, I believe, has about 100 videos where I take you step by step on how I do faceless YouTube, which, if you don't know who I am, my name is Romayroh. I've been doing faceless YouTube channels since 2018. Since then, I've made over $2 million in just YouTube ad revenue. But back to the school community, there's also a list of daily niches where every single day we update you with a new cool idea that could inspire you for your YouTube channel. And just to show you some of the wins in the community of this month, 12 hours ago, Jun Chen posted this, stick to it no matter what. He shared this screenshot here where he's made $6,325 in the month of May. You can see that in March, it's cut off here, but he was making $0 a month. April, he made $3,900, May, he made $6,300, and in June so far, at least when this was posted, was $1,614. Big Papa here posted, winners don't quit. Every person that has quit has never gotten here. And he posted this screenshot. One of his channels in 28 days has paid him $4,000. Jacob here posted this, motivation, stop overthinking and start posting. He gave a little bit of advice here and he posted this screenshot. Damn. In the month of April, this guy made $11,000. In May, he made $13,000. And in June so far, at least when this was posted, he's made $5,500. This is actually probably the best I've seen in a while. 14 days ago, Patrick H posted this. He made 5,600 euros from, or pounds? What is that? I don't know. what seems to be since February 3rd to June 13th with 1.6 million views. Emzar posted this, small win, recently got monetized. Then he shared this screenshot, $78, 11k views, not bad my boy, well done. Joey here posted some motivation 28 days ago, showing that in May 24 he made $894. But whatever, you get the point. There's a reason why this is one of the biggest YouTube school communities on the platform. You know, I can't guarantee that this is gonna work for you, but truly everything that I know, I've put in my school community. If you think I'm transparent here on this channel, you won't believe what's inside the community. But again, that's for those of you that are serious. You can click the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and that's pretty much it. Let's move on with the video. Let me show you the next steps, which was the channel settings and the branding. The YouTube channel we're gonna do it with is this one right here. We used to focus on the WNBA. We tried like the NFL. We switched it later to female tennis, which this did all right. Then we switched to male golf, and then we switched to female golf for a second. It didn't do that hot. Not the greatest channel, obviously. I know a lot of people are gonna see this and be like, oh, but it has 10,000 subscribers already. This channel's dead, bro. And let me show you. And while I pull this up, not only is it a dead YouTube channel, but nowadays, it's kind of easier to start brand new channels than it is rebranding ones that have been rejected by the algorithm. It's only gotten 2,000 impressions in the last 28 days. If we go to the last 365, this is when we had all of those videos posted. It was definitely in a different position because it had 6.8 million impressions. So it was doing all right. All of the videos that we posted during this time were deleted. If I go to the overview, last 365, the channel has gotten 1.7 million views, and that's paid us 4,628. If we go to audience, the majority of the audience is from the US, and they are 65 plus, 41% of it. So just maybe the MLS, you know, would work. Now, the first thing we need to change is the channel name and the profile picture. I've already been talking to Claude. I told it what the YouTube channel name is gonna be, which is Goal Theory, and just a simple profile picture like this. So we're gonna go to YouTube Studio where we are, and then we're gonna hit customization. We're gonna change the name from Golf Report to Goal Theory, change the handle. I'm gonna go to Claude real quick and just say, give me a channel description. Here we go. It said Goal Theory covers the stories American soccer fans actually care about. MLS news, the breakthrough, the transfers, the contract, the locker room, yada, yada, yada. Cool, that'll do. Now, what sucks is I'm gonna have to create a new Medium, Tumblr, Quora, Pinterest, X, Flipboard, and Instagram for this page, but it is what it is. I think it could be worse. So there we go. Click done. Now we just need that banner. Pretty straightforward shit here, boys. Okay, cool. So here is the banner that I just had Claude make. And we're just gonna click publish. Now, very quickly, before I show you the editing and the scripting of this YouTube channel, I'm gonna show you some of the analytics. So again, this YouTube channel was completely dead. If you go to May 31st to the beginning of June, I was making cents a day. The first soccer video went up on June 12. Nothing really happened for the next 2 days until June 15, with the first day being $123 in ad revenue. And for those of you that are curious, the views were only 20,000. So very quickly, I'm gonna go to the top right, click custom, and then I'm gonna go from June 12 to June 27, which is the present date. Now we can see the numbers a little bit more, you know, detailed. Now here's the best part about this channel, and I was right. If I scroll down in the revenue tab, you can see that the RPM of this channel is $7.12, meaning that for every 1,000 views, YouTube is going to pay me $7.12. Now let me go to the most viewed video on this channel. It has 183,000 views. It's only been public on YouTube for 9 days, and that has paid me $1,425. And the RPM of this specific video is $7.75. Now, a lot of things changed while I was launching this channel. So the first uploads on this channel were about the US men's national team. We started talking about the most controversial player, Gio Reyna. But then I noticed something on Instagram and Twitter, and it was Europeans trying everyday things for us Americans. And it was going viral. For example, that Fred guy that was all over Twitter. I don't know if you heard about it, but they were trying Buc-ee's, they were going to Walmart, Europeans were impressed with Costco's, you know, it's still a thing to this day. So taking that opportunity with the target audience in mind, it's like, okay, what are Europeans saying about our country, our everyday lifestyle? So I posted, Europeans just discovered America and the World Cup is giving the most hilarious content of the year. Crazy title, right? But if we go to the analytics, this video got 104,000 views, and that paid me $746 in just YouTube ad revenue. Again, this video was posted June 14th. It is currently June 28th. Yesterday, this video itself, though it's not really trendy or popping off anymore, I made $8 off of this video yesterday, $12 the day before. The peak of this video was on June 18 with $141 in ad revenue. Anyways, that worked. So after posting a few videos that were soccer related, we posted another European one, which was European soccer legends react to the US lifestyle. Shocking. Super basic, right? It's an 8-minute long video. This got 183,000 views, and that paid me $1,425. Very good RPM. Getting paid almost $1,500 for not even 200,000 views is very, very good. Now, if I would have made that video longer and not 8 minutes, you know, we could assume that I would have got paid double. So we ended up doing that title again, and we did European legend who humiliated America before the game, watch them win without their best player. And I think this video had to do with Australia. The US beating Australia was kind of a big deal. 88,000 views, got paid $492 for this video. If we go to the cents published, yeah, I mean, I'm only making $4 or $5 a day from this video. Doesn't really matter. So originally, this was supposed to be about MLS players, but the first 2 videos that I posted, they weren't working. So I thought the best way to reach the American audience as fast as possible about a topic that they do not care about is to approach the topic in a way that would genuinely interest them. And we're experimenting with all kinds of titles. Like yesterday we uploaded NFL stars are stealing the World Cup, and what they're doing has nothing to do with football. So it's not MLS players anymore. It's just America in general. This channel is just what America is thinking and feeling during this World Cup. And if you notice, every single time we post something not related to European players reacting to the American lifestyle, vice versa, the videos do not perform. But if we go to analytics and we go to the audience and we scroll down, 88% of my viewers are from the US, which is perfect. That's what we want, right? If we were posting about Messi, Mbappe, Haaland, any of those, you know, top players, I would be getting viewers from Nigeria, India, which is, there's nothing wrong with that, but the RPM of those countries or viewers from those countries is way lower than the US, meaning that instead of getting paid $7.12 per 1,000 views, I would be getting paid $1 to $2 per 1,000 views, and that's just not worth it in my opinion. So yes, even though this channel is about soccer or football, whatever, it's more towards the United States. Soccer is just the vehicle topic of this, right? And when the World Cup ends, then I'm going to transition fully to MLS and MLS players and MLS youngsters, academy players that are coming up, college soccer, you know, that's when I'm gonna deep dive into that. But right now, which is why I'm making this video, I think there's a high opportunity for brand new channels, brand new YouTubers. There is space for you in this. I think you gotta hop in it. I think you really, really do have to hop in it. It's not a complicated niche whatsoever, and it's for sure long term. It can't get any easier than this.